done my graduation from Shri Shri Youth Institute,
મારું
Bangalore.
મોટું નથી.
So welcome you all for this 4 days journey of yoga. To go within yourself, be with yourself, your body, your mind. So before we start, shall we say a small prayer? We all sit in Chin Mudra with our eyes closed. આપણે બધા Chin Mudra માં બેસશું, આંખો બંધ કરીને, and we chant Om 3 times. Take a deep and long.
Shahal, you go on mute. If you just unmute yourself. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
And
thank you so
everybody
much.
else, kindly please mute your, otherwise still confusion both us. So when she's saying Om, you manoman tame Om boljo. So it doesn't interfere, otherwise it will cause a lot of problems. So if you all stay mute, except Shahal. Yeah, thank you.
Shall we start? We'll start with Om chanting first. Okay, we sit in Chin Mudra with our eyes closed. Take a normal, deep and long breath in. And breathe out. One more deep and long breath in. And let go. Breathe in for Om. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Shri Shri Gurave Namaha. Relax. Keep your eyes closed and just observe your breath. आंखों बंद करीने अपने श्वास में ऊपर आपको ध्यान आपको. Take few deep long breaths in and out. And just relax.
યોગા ચાલુ કર્યા છે તો વોચ કરું છે. કોને કર્યું?
Relax your mind. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So to begin with, today myself and my friend Preeti Mudra, we both are going to facilitate the session for you. This is going to be totally authentic yoga. એટલે આ બધા જ કરી શકશે. Each and everyone can participate in this yoga. There is nothing difficult. No asanas will be difficult. It's going to be very smooth, very easy. કોઈને પણ ક્યાંય પણ કોઈ તકલીફ થાય કે કોઈ પણ પ્રશ્ન હોય, you can ask us towards the end of the session. And to start with, this idea came to my uncle. એ મને બહુ ઘણા વખતથી કહેતા હતા કે you keep one session for our people over here, because you know lots of things are going around in the world. Pandemic ના લીધે ઘણા બધા લોકો બહુ બધું anxieties માં છે, બહુ બધા pressure માં છે, બહુ બધા લોકો depressed છે, and some people are, you know, very sad. So basically this authentic yoga is all about breath, connecting your breath with your body and your mind. એટલે એક normal આપણે જે પણ આસન કરશું, we will connect our breath with our body, and at the same time we'll be connecting our mind with the body. Okay, so this yoga means union, and union of body, breath and mind. Okay, so for example, अगर આપણે આપણું હાથ ઉપર भी કરશું તો we will breathe in and we will raise our hands up. So I'll be instructing for you for all the asanas. જ્યારે પણ આપણે કોઈ પણ આસન કરશું તો હું તમને સાથે સાથે ગાઈડ કરીશ, પણ હું તમને few instructions starting માં જ થોડું સમજાવું છું કે કોઈ પણ આસન આપણે ઉપરની ઓર કરીએ તો આપણે હંમેશા breathe in કરવાનું હોય. Okay, and whichever asan we do bending asanas, જ્યાં પણ આપણે bend કરવાનું છે ત્યાં આપણે હંમેશા breathe out કરીને bend કરવાનું. This is a thumb rule for asanas. And then whenever we expand, કોઈ પણ expansion વાળું આસન હોય, જેમ કે ભુજંગાસન છે example, તો એમાં આપણે breathe in કરવાનું, and whenever we contract, okay, જેમ કે પવન મુક્તાસન છે, આપણે એમાં contract કરીએ આપણી full body, so that time we will breathe out and go into the asan. Okay, so a few breathing techniques આપણે યાદ રાખવાની છે. પછી એમાં 4 rules છે આસન માટે, પણ એક બહુ સિમ્પલ 4 rules ના કહેવાય, પણ એને steps છે, 4 steps છે આસનમાં જવાના. First is you have to be in સ્થિતિ. આપણે અગર સ્ટેન્ડિંગ આસન કરતા હોય તો કઈ સ્થિતિમાં, સ્થિતિ means position, આપણે કઈ પોઝિશનમાં ઊભું રહેવાનું છે, કે અગર આપણે લેટવાના આસન કરવાના છે તો આપણે કઈ સ્થિતિમાં પહેલા આપણે લેટવાનું છે, then all will be there. Okay, so first is sthiti asana. Second is going into the asana. આપણે પહેલા આપણી position લઈએ, then we go into the asana. Okay, then third is holding the posture. The third one is very very important. Okay, કેમ important છે? For example, અગર તમે ગેસ પર કંઈ કુક કરવા મૂક્યું, કુકર પર કંઈ નાખીને તમે બોઇલ કરવા મૂક્યું છે, if you just switch on and switch off the gas, will it be cooked? No, it will be uncooked. In same way, when you go into asana, you have to hold there for some time. You know, ಈ effect તો જ તમને ಈ આસનનું result મળે. So holding, third one is very important. And the fourth thing is again coming back to the asana and relaxing. So breathing and these 4 steps you have to remember well. So first we will start with the breathing technique. Okay, normally આપણે breathing કરીએ છીએ તો એ પણ આપણું ઘણીવાર wrong હોય છે, so we will just have a check on our breathing technique today. So we keep our hand on our navel, okay, and keeping our eyes closed, we will take few deep long breaths in and out, and we'll observe while breathing in what is happening with our navel, and while breathing out what is happening with our navel. Okay, so this is called abdominal breathing. આજે આપણે abdominal breathing કરશું. કાંઈ નથી કરવાનું, ખાલી આપણા હાથ અહીંયા આપણા navel પર રાખવાનું છે, અને આપણે few deep breaths in and out કરીને આપણે observe કરવાનું છે આપણા breath. Okay, okay, so close your eyes, your hands on your navel. Take deep and long breath in and breathe out gently. આપણે 4 થી 5 શ્વાસ અંદર બહાર કરવાનું છે. But keep observing what is happening when you are breathing in and what is happening when you are breathing out. Relax. Open your eyes. And you can just write down in the chat box whenever you all were breathing in, what was happening with your navel? What was happening when you were breathing in? Each one of you can write in the chat box what happened when you breathe in and what happened when you were breathing out. Or else you can just unmute yourself and answer whatever is comfortable for you guys.
Yeah, the stomach, you feel more air in there when we breathe in, and the stomach bulges out. And then when you breathe out, it goes in, and you can feel the difference.
Very good. Anyone else would like to share?
Yes, same thing.
Yes.
When you breathe in, the stomach and abdominal area bulges out. And when you breathe out, the navel will try to reach to your spine. So it hollows and everything, the stomach goes in.
Right, absolutely right. So perfect breathing. This is perfect breathing. But many a times what happens, due to anxiety, due to stress, many people, their breathing pattern has gone into wrong this. When they breathe in, their stomach pulls in, and when they breathe out, their stomach bulges out. Okay. So we will practice this today. One pranayam, which is called abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing, okay? And here, this next, we will come till here. We will breathe and we will full, આપણે આપણી પૂરી breath ને અંદર નાખીને we will breathe till here and till here. Okay, આખું. અને let's see how it goes. પેલા પેટને ફુલાવવાનું છે, પછી આપણે stomach ને પછી આપણે chest ને ફુલાવવાનું છે. And then you till here you have to breathe. And then gently breathe out the whole breath. One more time, breathe in. અને stomach ને ફુલાવવાનું પહેલા. Then feel your chest and then your. આપણા clavicle bones હોય ત્યાં સુધી આપણું breath feeling કરવાનું. And then gently breathe out. So we'll be practicing this. Okay, 5 breaths we will be doing this. 3 stage માં આપણે breathing કરવાનું છે. પહેલા સામીને breathe in કરીને ફુલાવવાનું. Then our chest. And then we will breathe in until our clavicle bones are filled. We will breathe. And then gently we will breathe out. So we'll start this with keeping our eyes closed. Fill your chest. Breathe in till the clavicle. Then gently Please breathe out. One time, breathe in. Your tummy. Chest. And your clavicle. And breathe out. And relax. One more time. Breathe in. Fill the tummy. Fill in the chest. And lastly, fill in the clavicle bone. And let go. Relax and keep your eyes closed and just observe your breath. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So we will practice this daily. Okay. Aboj, sorry, breath, and I don't know what to say in Gujarati, but it is very, very effective breath when we consciously fill our tummy, consciously fill our chest, and we consciously come till here. આપણે ક્યારે પણ we have never done this. આપણે normally બહુ આપણું feeble breath હોય છે. Deep and a deep and a long breath થાય. અને yogic breathing કહેવાય. It's called yogic breathing. Yeah.
આ કોક બીજું કરાવે.
Pardon me. Okay. So this is called yogic breathing. So this we can practice 4 to 5 breaths રોજ અગર તમે આ breathing કરો તો તમારું જે lungs છે બહુ એની capacity વધશે. It will increase your lung capacity. Okay. Deep and long, just keep your eyes closed and just do consciously. કે આપણે કોઈ પણ ચીજ consciously કરીએ ને તો એનો બહુ પ્રભાવ પડે. Right? If we consciously keep our attention in cooking, it turns out to be fabulous, right? In the same way, if we consciously give attention to our body, our breath, it gives you the result constantly and very effective result. Okay? So now we will do this breathing. After breathing, we will do some body rotations so that our body is ready for the asana. આપણે normally rotations કરીને પછી જ આપણે આસન્સ માં જશું કારણ કે તો જ આપણી flexibility વધશે. Otherwise you won't be able to do the asanas very easily. અગર easily આસન્સ માં જવું તો થોડું body rotations કરવું જરૂરી છે. So let's all rise up. We'll just rise up. We'll do some body rotation. We'll walk a little bit. Start walking. Walk, walk, walk. Normal walk. We just walk and loosen our hands and our legs. Walk, keep walking. Yes, 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 yes. Stretch your legs and walk like a chimpanzee. Keep walking. Walk, walk, walk. Pose if you can bend and put your weight on your right and left. Right and left. On your right, on your left. Right, left. And gently and slowly come back walking. And again, keep walking slowly and gently. Moving. Now we will start with our neck first. Okay, breathe in and take your neck behind. Breathing out, chin to the chest. One more time, breathe in, take your neck behind. Breathing out, chin to the chest. One more time, breathe in, go behind. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, come to the center. And breathing out, take your chin towards your shoulders on your right. Align your chin with the shoulder. You will feel a stretch. તમને right left side પર બહુ બધું stretch આવશે. તમારું ધ્યાન એ stretch પર લઈ જાઓ. Take your attention on that stretch and breathe in to the stretch. And relax all the muscles from your leg. Now gently breathe in, come to the center. And breathing out, move towards the left. Align your chin with your shoulders. Feel the stretch all over your right. Take your attention on the stretch. તમારું ધ્યાન એ stretch પર લઈ જાય. એની પર breathe out કરો. Take one deep and long breath and breathe into the stretch and relax all the muscles. विश्राम करिए. Relax. Breathe in, come to the center. Now take your earlobe, right earlobe towards the shoulder and push your shoulders down. Again, you might feel a stretch all over your leg. So take your attention on that stretch and breathe into the stretch. એક શ્વાસને આપણે ಈ stretch માં છોડીને એને વિશ્રામ આપવાનો છે. All the muscles just relax when you breathe into it. Breathing, come to the center and breathing out. Take your earlobe, left earlobe to the center. Feel the stretch on the right. Breathe into the stretch and relax. Breathe in, come to the center. Now we'll do full neck rotation. આપણે 3 times clockwise neck rotation કરશું. પણ આપણે breath કરશું. Okay? Breathe in. Go behind. Breathing out. Chin to the chest. And now do clockwise neck rotation. 3 times. Breathe in, then you go up. Breathing out from your left, you go down. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, go down. And the opposite. હવે ઉલટું કરવાનું છે. From left, you breathe in, half a circle, and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the left, half a circle, and half a circle, you breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently breathe in, come to the center, and now we will pump our shoulders up and down, okay, with breath. આપણે breathing કરીને shoulders ને ઉપર લેશું and breathing out, we will put our shoulders down, okay. Now, breathing, hold your shoulders up, put your neck behind, આપણા neck ને ધીરેથી નીચે નાખશું and then we will massage our neck with our shoulders. Our shoulders will go up and down, and our neck will go left and right. Up and down, left and right. Give nice massage to your neck and relax. Beautiful. Okay, now roll your shoulders in 3 times and out 3 times. Okay. Relax. Hands on your shoulders and press આપણે breathing out કરશું. Okay. And relax. Now hands by your side. ઉપર નીચે કરશું આપણે. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front and back. આગે પાછળ કરશું. Stretch કરશું આપણા chest ને out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we roll small circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And little bigger circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. તમને ધીમું ધીમું pain થતું હશે. Take your attention there. Just accept that pain. Relax. Now bigger circles will jump opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your mouth. Now we will breathe in and take our hands behind. And breathing out, we'll hug ourselves. One more time, breathe in. And breathing out, hug yourself. The bestest person on earth. Love yourself. And relax. Hands in front. You can do everything with a smile on your face. Up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Elbows will be straight. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Make a fist and you have to roll them. Turn times up the clockwise, rotate first, turn times up the anti-clockwise. આપણા હાથમાં બહુ બધા joints ને આ exercise કરીને તો બહુ બધા joints આપણા ખુલી જાય. See this pumping. This is called pumping. Open, close કરો અને આપણા elbows ને straight રાખવાનું છે. It opens up lot many joints from our hands and fingers. Yes, 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 yes. Just open, close fast, just and keep the elbows straight and put them down. And just feel the prana flowing all over your fingers. તમે મહેસૂસ કરશો કે બહુ બધું પ્રાણા તમારા fingers માં flow કરી રહ્યું છે. Just observe that prana. Relax. Now keep your hands on your waist and move your waist with a smile on your face. Yes. 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. In and out. In and out. And relax. Something with our legs. Just kick hip joints. Then loose કરવાનું છે. Loosen your hip joint. Yes. These are very simple movements. पर આ તમને બહુ flexible બનાવશે. Relax. Now come to your knees. Knees very important part of our body, right? So we will do something for our knees. Go ahead, come behind. आगे पीछे આગળ પાછળ. પણ આમાં ખાલી એટલું જ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે કે આપણા toes ની beyond આપણા knees ને નહીં લઈ જવાનું. If we take our toes, our knees beyond our toes, then it gives you a pain. Okay, so it should be within your toes. આપણા જે legs ના toes છે ને એની અંદર જ આપણે અંદર બાર. Okay, ahead, reach, ahead, reach. And then you can roll them 3 times clockwise, but within your toes, remember, within your toes, and anti-clockwise 3 times. Now massage your knee ball with your fingers. Gentle massage with your thumb, inner knees. Above small barik cheese, but it's really worth doing it every day. And behind your knees. Relax. Now you have to keep your feet like that. આ તમારા heels ને આમ રાખવાનું and just squeeze your fingers. Squeeze and just feel the stretch all over your leg. Calf muscles માં તમને stretch feel થશે. And if you do it very vigorously, then you can get even here till the thighs. And then open. See the relaxation which you feel after doing this. Relax. One more time. Squeeze. And open up your fingers and pull them towards yourself. તમારા તરફ pull કરવાનું છે. Now with the other way. Okay. Squeeze. Pills ને આપણે આમ રાખવાનું અને fingers ને squeeze કરવાનું. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze the fingers. And open. Open and just pull them towards yourself. One more time. Squeeze. And open. Now you become little bit on the toes, on your heel, on your toes, on your heel, on your toes, on your heel, toes on your heels, and relax. Amazing, very nice, very cooperative group, very beautiful. So now we are going to start with our first asana. Today's first asana is we are going to do today 3 standing asanas, okay, which will help your digestive system to be in a good position. Okay, બહુ બધી problems આપણને digestion ના લીધે જ થાય. આપણું food digest ન થાય, that's the reason we get acidity, we get lot many diseases due to our this part. Are we તો બધું weak, right? Agreed? No? So we will work on this digestive system. Yeah, I'm going to show you 3 asanas which will help you to clear your bowels and તમારું digestion પર બહુ સારું થશે. Okay, so first we need to stand. Position for this asana is you have to stand hip width apart. તમારા feet ને hip width apart રાખવાના. Okay, now breathe in and take both your hands up. તમારા હાથને ઉપર લેવાનું. Then you have to interlock your fingers. Interlock and then stretch out your hand. Stretch કરવાનું interlock કરીને. Okay, then tuck your tummy in. આના પછી તમારે તમારું tummy ને tuck કરવાનું અંદર. Pull back your tummy. Okay, and gently come on your toes. ધીરેથી તમારા toes ઉપર તમારે આવવાનું. On into the asana. હવે તમારે third position માં છો તમે. You have to hold the asana. I had told you that holding asana is very, very important. So આપણે 10 counts hold કરશું. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently breathing out, you may come down. Normally, આપણે 30 counts hold રાખવું જોઈએ, but since this is beginners, we are doing for the first time, we'll do for 10 counts. अब તમારાથી થાય તો you can hold it with 30 counts. અને આ રોજ 8 times તમે morning માં ઉઠીને practice કરશો, you will see the change in your body. Your digestion will be lot improved. Slowly gently up. You have to tuck your tummy in. Do not forget that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing out. Gently come down. Okay. We'll repeat this one more time. So everyone remembers it well. And our 30 counts also. Okay. One more time. Breathe in. Take both your hands up. Interlock the fingers. Stretch out your hand. Okay. Tuck your tummy in. And gently go up on your toe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. Gently come down and relax. So this was Tadasana. Now we'll be doing Konasana. Okay, the standing position will be the same, hip width apart. Now breathe in and take your right hand up. Breathe in, right hand up. Touch your biceps to your ears. Now gently તમારા neck ને twist આપીને ઉપર જુઓ. Gently look up and breathing out. You have to take your left hand down. Stretch your left hand down. Okay, આમાં છે ને આખું આમ થવાનું important નથી. Okay, it's just a little bit stretch. You have to go little down. Right hand ઉપરની ઓર stretch થશે અને left hand આપણો નીચેની ઓર stretch થશે. Wave opposite direction. Okay, hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come up. Breathing out. Right. Now with the left hand, we will do the same thing. Breathe in. Bring your left hand up. Okay, look at your hand, finger, and breathing out. Take your right hand down. Stretch opposite direction માં બંનેને stretch કરવાનું છે. એક ઉપર જશે, એક નીચે જશે. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come to the center and breathing out, relax. Got it? This is Konasana. Okay, we'll be doing 2 more rounds. Breathe in. Take your right hand up. Look at your hand. Breathing out, the left goes down. Opposite direction must stretch કરવાનું છે. એક ઉપર જશે, એક નીચે જશે. You will get all over here, you will get a stretch on your right side. Keep breathing in and out. તમને ક્યાંય પણ pain થતું હોય, ક્યાંય પણ વધારે stretch થતું હોય, so you have to just take your attention there and breathe into the stretch and relax your body. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come up, out, relax. Again, your left. Breathe in, take your left hand up. Look towards the fingers, breathing out, stretch your right down. એક હાથ ઉપર, એક હાથ નીચે. જ્યાં પણ તમને stretch feel થતું હોય, ત્યાં ધ્યાન લઈ જાઓ. અને એક શ્વાસ છોડીને just relax your body. Keep breathing in and out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come up, and breathe out, relax. One more time. Breathe in. Look at your fingers. Stretch your whole body. Take the attention on the stretch. Take શ્વાસ ની stretch ની અંદર છોડવાનું છે અને વિશ્રામ કરવાનું છે. 3, 2, 1. And relax. Breathe in, come up, and breathe out, relax. Now with your left, take your hand up, get your fingers, and breathing out. Right goes down, Breathe into the stretch and relax your body. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come up, breathe out. Now last but not the least, last asana આપણે કરશું. Okay. Breathe in, take both your hands up in Namaste Mudra. Okay. And now breathing out, you will twist your body. Twist પણ નહીં પણ એને આપણે right ની ઓર આપણે ખાલી bend કરવાનું. But we will not go all the way bending. આપણે આપણા torso ને સીધું રાખવાનું છે. We will not bend આખું arm. We will just have a little bit bending. Okay, ખાલી અને ઉપરની ઓર stretch કરવાનું. Okay, કોઈ બી આસનમાં છે ને stretch બહુ important છે. Then you will get a stretch over here. ત્યાં ધ્યાન લઈ જાઓ. Take your attention on that stretch. Breathe into the stretch and relax your body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Come to the center and breathing out. You will go all the way towards your head. Again, stretch yourself ahead. Stretch karvanu આગળ. And feel the stretch all the way there. Breathe in to the stretch and relax your body. વિશ્રામમાં લઈ જવાનું body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Come to the center and relax. ઘણીવાર છે ને એવું થાય કે આપણે આસન કરતા હોય ને આપણને શિવરી શિવરી ફીલ થાય. It's because you are going beyond your capacity. તો ક્યારે પણ એવું શિવરી ફીલ થાય તો you should always come little, pull back yourself little bit behind. અને આપણે ઓવર કરીએ ક્યારેક તો આપણને એ આસનમાં અનકમ્ફર્ટેબલ ફીલ થાય, બહુ શિવરી શિવરી લાગે. તો પછી થોડું પાછળ આવીને પાછું થોડું વિશ્રામ કરીને પાછું તમે આગળ થોડું જઈ શકો. Okay, so you can do that. So one more time we will do this. Breathe in, you put your hands up. And breathe out. Towards your right. Let's hold here. And if you're feeling shivery, just come up and again breathe into the stretch and slowly and gently again. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come to the center and breathe out to your left. Stretch your body. Hold there. Breathe into the stretch. Relax your body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then come to the center and breathing out. Relax. Okay, this you can practice every day in the morning when you wake up and you see the change in your body. Okay, so for today we do this many asanas. We'll practice this. Okay, tomorrow we'll do something else. So now lie down. My friend Preeti will be taking over for Yoga Nidra. So everyone lie down wherever you are. So over to Preeti Mudra.
Let's lie down on your back. Again, keep your specs aside. If you can't lie down on the floor, you can lie down on the top, like on sofa or anything you are comfortable with. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your legs, stretch your legs, relax. Relax your hands,
Relax your body. Relax your whole body. It is very important to do meditation after yogasanas so that whatever toxins has been created from your body, it will detox through meditation. So it is very important to do meditation after yogasana. Just relax your body.
Yeah, I think so. Your camera has gone off, Prithiben.
Yes, yes. You can bring your both the legs folded from knees near to the buttocks. Just lower your spine, lower spine. Bring it closer to the floor. Press your lower back. Press your upper back. Slowly relax your body. Keep your eyes closed. आंखें बंद ही रखें. And relax your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly stretch your leg straight. Straighten your legs. Keep your palms beside your body, open to the sky. Pay attention to your right
foot. You can little move your toes, right toes, left leg, right leg, right knee, keep your body still. Right thigh, whole right leg, left foot, left knee, left thigh, whole left leg, genitals, abdomen, navel region, chest. Bring your attention in your chest. Right shoulder, right arm, left shoulder, left arm, neck, face. Relax your face, forehead, top of the head, whole body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly turn to your right side with the help of your hands. And slowly come upright.
keeping your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Yeah. Jai Gurudev, how was it?
Very nice.
Fantastic. Very good.
Very nice.
You put us to sleep.
Yes. So how are you feeling now after doing this yogasanas?
Rested.
Right.
Very refreshing.
Yes. So when we do something with awareness, it brings such a deep relaxation. And generally what we do when we go to gym or any kind of exercise postures we do, we never do meditation. So meditation brings that relaxation and also detox your body. Now, do you have any question like Snehal ji, and I'm also there. If you have any question, we are open to answer.
Okay, when at the end, people doing first time, we didn't see you doing with us, so some people might not be aware of when you say legs up. So-
Tinuji, there is some disturbance. Like somebody's. Can you mute everyone, and who is speaking only he or she can unmute.
Mukund bhai, Dinesh bhai, can you mute everyone? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Prithiben,
Unmute yourself, Vasuji. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
okay, so people doing first time, they might not know using raise hand, or I myself was not sure when we were doing relaxation, because I know you were talking, but if we see you doing with us just once, so at least we know few steps, to do.
Yeah. Some instruction regarding meditation.
Yeah.
When we do meditation, actually we are not doing anything.
Okay.
When I say you just pay attention to your different parts, different body parts, just you have to just pay attention. No movement, nothing. Just
Okay.
take your mind to that part.
Yeah. Okay. And everybody, all the participants, do you understand or do you want in Gujarati? So let us know. Is this okay, everyone? Just let us know. You can speak up now.
હેલો
ગુજરાતીમાં હોય તો વધારે સમજાય.
હા બસ એ જ કહેતી હતી કે ગુજરાતીમાં વધારે
Hindi ka Gujarati.
સમજવાની કોશિશ કરીએ પણ ઓલું એકદમ
Yeah,
સમજાઈ જાય છો.
I want to say something like I am comfortable in English and Hindi. Is it okay if I speak in Hindi?
Yes, Hindi is
Yes.
okay. Yes.
Hindi is better, yeah.
ओके ओके, तो ये ऐसा है कि जब हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं
हाँ,
तो हमें अपने ध्यान, बस अपना ध्यान लेकर जाना है. वी हैव टू ब्रिंग, हमारे मन को उस बॉडी पार्ट में लेके जाना है. कोई मूवमेंट नहीं करना है, बॉडी को एकदम रिलैक्स रखना है.
okay, okay.
और अपना ब्रीदिंग जो है वो ब्रेथ इन और आउट वो अपने आप चलता रहेगा.
Acha, well.
तो वो
Okay.
ऐसे
Anyone
meditation
has any
करेंगे.
questions? Just ask Pritiben any questions if you have.
Vasubin, I want to ask one question.
Yes, please do so. Yeah.
Some of the exercises we won't be able to do because like myself, my leg, I've got arthritis in my leg. So some of the exercises we can't do while even sitting. So is there any other option to do it the other way, like sitting on the
Yes,
chair?
yes,
or something
definitely.
like- Yeah.
If you have leg injury or arthritis, so anything which is related to your leg, if you are feeling pain,
Mhm.
so you should not do that kind of exercise. We will guide over on that.
It is on my left leg, and I
Okay.
can't bend it completely. I can sit like with slight bend, but I
Yes.
can't sit on the floor. That is the problem. I can't sit on the
Okay.
floor. No.
That's why I told when I started meditation, wherever you are comfortable, you sit or lie down there. If you are comfortable over on sofa, you lie down on sofa.
Okay.
There is no, and even you all can do the yogasanas. आप चेयर में बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah,
Standing, maybe many of you can do standing asanas. Like arthritis is there, so जिनको नी में problem है, उनको नी को bend करके नहीं करना है.
Okay.
तो उसमें pain आ सकता है. So it's
Yeah.
better to avoid. We will definitely guide you next time, definitely. And if there is some BP patient are there or heart problem is there, you just let us know.
Yeah.
We will guide that also, how to do.
Yeah. That would be
Thank you
nice.
very much, Pritiben. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jashuji. Yeah.
Anyone has any questions? You can ask so Snehal and Pritiben both. Yeah, it was really nice session, Snehal. We really enjoyed the yoga
so much.
exercise, asana, and Pritiben, the last relaxation was really good. Looking forward to it tomorrow.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
tomorrow's session is same time. It's on desktop yoga, meditation, creativity. So, બધા કાલે પાછા આવજો.
Ah,
Yeah.
sure.
એટલે ડેસ્કટોપ યોગામાં છે ને બહુ તમારે બોડી મુવમેન્ટ્સ ને એવું નહીં હોય એટલે તમને કાંઈ વાંધો પણ નહીં આવે.
હા.
સો ડુ અટેન્ડ. હમણાં બહુ બધું આ ઘરે બેસીને આપણે બહુ બધા થ્રુ આઉટ ધ ડે આપણે ખાલી સ્ક્રીન પર ને એવી રીતના જ હોઈએ છે ને, તો
હા, હા,
આપણી બોડી
હા.
પણ બહુ બધું જકડાઈ છે બધું. Yeah, so we will be having on that.
Oh, that
So
would be good.
you'll
Yeah.
enjoy more.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
will
that
be
will
like
be really.
we work
Have a
9 to 5, so we are sitting at the table and chair. So that will be session tomorrow.
Yeah,
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 that
Yes.
would be great. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It will be very helpful to you. Yeah.
Okay.
And there is
Thank
some
you for
common.
being.
Yes, yes, Nehalji. Yeah, she is a very good dynamic yoga teacher. Very beautifully she conduct yoga sessions.
Thank
And
you.
one thing like
Thank you.
if there is some like I think here everyone is above 50.
Yes.
More
Okay.
than 50.
Like there is no menstrual problem, right?
Yeah, maybe over 74, 75, some people.
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
Yeah.
So the
They
thing
all are
is,
very good at heart. I mean, Preeti, I think they are very young at heart.
no, definitely. No,
Yeah,
why
I
I'm
think so.
asking,
Definitely.
yeah.
Young at heart, like 15, but age over 50.
15,
That is
16.
because
They're all,
this is
all there in teens.
this is
Yeah, but
only
they are
for
very cooperative and very active.
Thank
feel.
you.
why I'm asking the age, because that's only because of the body constraint. The concern is only the body flexibility or the like period cycles are there, no, in ladies. So we
Yeah.
have some instruction for them also. That's why I asked.
Yeah, okay, no
So,
problem.
so like if anybody has a BP like 160 after taking medicine also, so they should not do like backward asanas or forward
Yeah.
asanas.
Yes.
Not very
In
fast.
हिंदी में भी
Yeah,
थोड़ा
it's
बोल दो.
difficult for
मतलब,
me. I can't do.
हाँ, ओके, मतलब आप जैसे किसी को अगर बीपी का इशू है, आप मेडिसिन लेने के बाद भी बीपी 160 रहता है, तो हमें एकदम से बैकवर्ड फट से नहीं करना है, हाँ, और फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग भी एकदम से नहीं करना है. इफ यू कैन डू देन ओनली डू. अगर आपको लगता है कि चक्कर आ रहा है, प्लीज अवॉइड.
Yes.
अगर
Yeah,
आपको
it's
वर्टिगो
difficult
है,
for
लाइक
me.
वर्टिगो होता है ना, स्पिनिंग होता है,
हाँ.
वो भी है, तो in that case also avoid backward asanas. Like Snehal ji did that one asana, Konasana, today she made you learn that हाथ को ऐसे सीधा रख के हम ऐसे tilt होते हैं. That is a very
हाँ.
good asana for vertigo.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So any kind of problem, if you are facing, just let us know. If there is any pain in your body
Okay.
part, just let us know. So we will
Yes.
guide you accordingly. Yes.
Okay.
Without hesitation, just ask any question. If you are not able to do it, if you are finding it difficult to do, just let us know. We will,
Yeah.
we will do something. कुछ भी हम करेंगे अपनी तरफ से. So you could do, you can do it.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
basically, it's like not to overstretch yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
Just
So for-
wherever you're comfortable.
Yes.
Exactly.
Just
Yes.
one question. Just one
Yes.
question. If you
Yes.
can do some exercise for vertigo, please.
We will definitely, not today, but
Sure,
we
sure.
will
Yeah,
definitely.
next time.
Yes.
Next time.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
absolutely.
will have one session on that. Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. आप लोग सबका बहुत बहुत
Everyone.
धन्यवाद for giving
Thank
us such
you
a
very
beautiful
much.
opportunity, so that we could do something, we could help something. If we can do, it will be actually a great opportunity for us to do something for you all. And thank you so much, Dinu uncle and Mukund uncle. It was such a, and yes, all the other organizers. Thank you so much. Thank you,
No
Snehal
problem.
ji. I
Thank
am
you.
really
And
feeling
thank
very
you
Thank you,
good.
Preeti ji.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you,
Thank
for
you.
coming.
Snehal
to
ji.
everyone, all the participants. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. We really
Thank you very
enjoyed
much.
too.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
We'll
you
see
very
you
much.
See you
tomorrow
all
at 4
tomorrow.
o'clock,
The
everyone.
beautiful
you.
smile.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank
See you
you.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
No,
Bye.
only
Breathing.
one tablet for you all. That is a smile.
Smile.
Have
That's it.
smile throughout the day.
Smile.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is a must.
That
Yeah.
cures
Yes,
everything.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
I'll put
Snehal.
everybody on a
Bye.
gallery view
Thank
and
you.
they can say bye to each other.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
friends,
Bye.
friends and
Thank you,
relatives
Preeti.
tomorrow.
Thank you,
so much.
Snehal. Thank you,
Bye.
Vasubhen.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Anjan
you.
Ben. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Open.
you.
Bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
No problem.
See you
So,
tomorrow.
Bye.
see you.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 See you tomorrow. Bye.
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 Bye. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Bye.
Thank you very
Bring
much.
your friends and families tomorrow again,
Yeah.
4
Thank
Yeah.
o'clock.
you.
See
Yeah.
you. Bye.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.